Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel ADS Vlogs number 206. The Calling Bird, poem by Adonis June Messias Sanchez. In the morning, I hear this song from the window in my upstairs bedroom, reminding me to get ready for the day. Prepare myself and go to work early. I feel like a prince. I'm charmed to hear the melodious chirping of a ballad. Alarm clock is no use. I got tweeters instead. I take a glance and appreciate their calling. One day I said, "Hello, good morning." With surprised look, they flew away. They went somewhere looking for prey or enjoyed the sunrise as they played. Days came and quickly went by. While I got used to my musical routine in life. One day I was shocked when I heard one tiny sound. The lovebirds got a newborn chick. Now there are three birds in my life. It's fun to look at them while they fly. Their colorful wings flap like a tiny kites. Their picture of freedom and joy. One of Mother Nature's wonderful gifts. It's God's blessing and reward for me. These birds are my pleasure and my river. Little angels guarded by God's loving care. They're a ray of joy upon my soul. The enchanted carol of the calling birds. It ceases and then they come again. It's the loveliest music I have ever heard. See you guys in my next vlogs. Thank you for watching.